Okay, this will be an interesting one. See if we can make this look good. Right. Don't know how big it is. We'll soon find out when we put it on the glass. So we're just gonna see how we go with this. Gonna make it really contrasty. We're gonna leave it on that setting. See how we go with this. Right, we're going to make this an interesting one. Hopefully a different one to what we normally do, but let's see what it is. It is Sidfest 19. That's the front of it, and this is the rear. So that looks really nice, these colours, but I'd like these colours to be together. So I'm going to basically just take this one, and we're going to put it on the glass like that. It's actually, yeah, it's an odd size. It's a bit smaller than a B4, and it's a B4 in width, so we're going to have to make this part a little bit stretchier than that. So now we're just going to quickly go into our, I thought we lost our settings for a moment. So we're going to go to B4 to A4, but our horizontal is going to be a little bit larger, so we're probably going to make it 90 something, 90 point, we're going like this for some reason, 90.2. I don't know if that's going to make a real difference, if it's anything. We really need the point. I'm just wondering if we're going to make it bigger or if this is the size. So we're just going to start with our first one off, finish and then start. This will be a little bit challenging. It shouldn't be that challenging size-wise. It's just a little bit an odd size, which I find annoying, but anyway. I think we'll make this look good. I think we cut some of her head off, but the colour looks good. It looks really bright. Wondering if we're going to... Well, let's see how we go anyway with this. So we're just going to lay that out on the bed. We're going to do something a little bit different to what we normally do, so we're just going to do that, finish and then start. I don't know if I've done this right size wise. I'm just going to have a look at that. His head looks like it's cut off anyway, so that's all right, because I'm thinking we're going to have to turn it upside down. Well, you'll find out anyway what I'm doing with this interesting original. We're doing both back and front pages, as you've probably guessed, because I feel it's making it a lot more colourful that way. I don't like the way it's hard to see her eyes. Now we're just going to take this and we're going to flip it over. So we're just going to flip it over. I was thinking of making this a mirror image job, but I don't think we're going to, just quietly. Wondering if we could have done a better job, or if we're just going to leave it like that. I mean, the eyes look a bit easier to see in that picture than here. It's not an easy one to do. So I'm wondering we're just going to keep it like that. Sidfest. Okay, out it comes. So this is the male contingent. So we're going to put him right over here. So we're going to mix the colours up. He looks a bit better than she does, to be quite honest, but it looks nice and bright. And we're just going to quickly print off another of the same in this experimental piece. We're probably going to give this will be really nice material for a doctor's showroom, not showroom, waiting room. Let's just put these together. I don't know if this is a really good experiment we've done here. We've done just something different for a change. So we're just going to line him up with the corners there and put him there. I just wanted to have the colours together, like the yellow with all the other colours. So here we go. Well, here we have it. This will be something interesting for SIDFest. I think now we can call this one quits.